Any additional moves by the United States Federal Reserve to further increase interest rates in the coming year could ultimately have some implications for Barbados. That's according to Chief Investment Officer of Fortress Advisory and Investment Services, Peter Arender, who says it's a situation they continue to monitor. He says the indication from the new head of the U.S. Federal Reserve, Jerome Powell, is that there may be at least 3 more interest rate increases by year end.
As you know, when interest rates start to rise, that's good for the future because you can now earn a bit more on your bond investments. But for those who own, investors or in current bonds, it means prices fall. So returns are lower for bonds for a little while as those interest rates rise. Rising interest rates also, all things being equal, tends to be a bit of a headwind for all financial assets, including stocks. Okay, so there is a psychological adjustment that all investors need to make, are making, have been making recently as it relates to, you've had 10 years of super easy money in the U.S., rates are now rising, the economy is pretty good.
And he says given the positive economic conditions in the U.S. and other countries, it is therefore no surprise that interest rates are going up again. The Barbados chapter of an international business support group recently marked 16 years in operation. Business Network International, or BNI, the largest referral organization of its type in the world, launched its first chapter in Barbados on February 20th, 2002. According to National Director of BNI, Curtis Belgrave, meetings are held weekly and referrals are exchanged in a structured way. He said last year, BNI members in Barbados passed over 2,000 referrals, which generated over $260,000 in business among members. The National Director added that to date, members have generated over $9 million in business. He says today the BNI has over 8,000 chapters and more than 200,000 members worldwide. BNI members can now also connect by using a mobile phone app to pass referrals worldwide.